Meaning of hen party.
Hen party.
Hen party.
Hen party.
Hen party. A hen party is a social gathering or celebration held for a bride-to-be before her wedding day. It is typically organized by the bride's female friends, who come together to give her a memorable and fun-filled send-off into married life. The event often involves activities such as spa treatments, cocktails, dancing, and games, all designed to help the bride relax and enjoy the company of her closest friends. Hen parties can take place in a variety of settings, from nightclubs and bars to weekend getaways and exotic destinations, depending on the preferences and budget of the group.